Click on the link below to get price. The Young Electric Bike Rack is a remarkable solution for transporting e-bikes, designed with both functionality and ease of use in mind. One of the standout features of this hitch-mount platform rack is its sturdy construction, which is able to support the weight of most electric bikes without compromising safety. The robust steel frame instills confidence during transport, ensuring your bikes remain secure even over bumpy roads. One of the most impressive aspects of this bike rack is the ramp feature. This thoughtful addition allows for easy loading and unloading of heavy e-bikes, making it accessible for users of all ages and physical abilities. Instead of struggling to lift your bike onto the rack, you can simply roll it up the ramp, saving time and reducing the risk of damaging your bike or injuring yourself. The adjustable wheel trays accommodate various bike sizes, making this rack a versatile option for households with more than one e-bike. Additionally, the integrated tie-down straps provide extra security, preventing any movement during transit. This is crucial for keeping your bikes in pristine condition while on the road. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the user-friendly hitch design. It fits most vehicles without any complicated assembly. Furthermore, the compact storage when not in use is a bonus, as it doesn't take up excessive space in your garage. However, there are a couple of considerations to note. While the rack is designed to hold 2 e-bikes, it's essential to check your vehicle's towing capacity to ensure safe transport. Additionally, some users might find the weight of the rack itself a bit cumbersome when installing or removing it. Overall, the Young Electric Bike Rack is an excellent investment for e-bike enthusiasts. With its combination of durability, ease of use, and thoughtful design features, it stands out in the market, making it a reliable choice for transporting your electric bike safely and conveniently.